Because the Demon was a one and done, and the Hellcat only made 707 horsepower, the crazy minds at Dodge SRT have birthed another Hellcat baby, the Red Eye, making an outrageous 797 horsepower. Available exclusively with an 8-speed auto, this supercharged Demon derivative has got the muscle car audience squarely in its sight. Take the 6.2-liter Hemi and give it a bigger blower with greater boost. Raise the red line to 6,500 RPM. Add a second fuel pump to feed it, and build it a larger airbox. And the result is the Red Eye's 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. Keeping this thing cool is a challenge in itself. So this model is the only one with both the SRT power chiller and after-run chiller, both designed to lower temperatures and improve performance. Its 0 to 60 time is down to 3.4 seconds, its quarter mile under 11 seconds, and the top speed is an eye-opening 203 miles per hour when spec'd with the available wide-body package. It adds 3.5 inches to the car's width, replete with 20-inch wheels fitted with 305 width Pirelli P0s. An adaptive damping suspension with track mode, wheel hop killing launch assist, tire smoking line lock, launch control, and SRT drive modes with performance pages are all standard. The Red Eye has several unique interior features as well, including a 220 mile per hour red speedometer, Red Eye logo splash screen, light black chrome instrument panel badge, and Red Eye logo on the key fobs. The 2019 Challenger SRT Hellcat Red Eye and Red Eye wide-body models go into production this fall, with delivery starting late this year. Pricing starts at $72,745, including gas guzzler tax and destination. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.